Mohammad Adil Bhan, presently pursuing BA-LLB from South Carolina Law College, welcome you all on this auspicious occasion. Now you must be wondering, why did I say good morning, whereas it is almost 5:45 in the evening. But today is Saket's dawn. Today Saket is seeing a morning, and I did not want to make this Saket's dawn an evening, so I said good morning instead of good evening. Now I may request all the guests to please come up on stage and grace the stage. May I please request all of y'all, please come up on stage. Request Naeem Munshi to present flowers to our honorable guests. Now may I please request an address about Saket, and it will be delivered by Mr. Sarfraz Ahmed Khan.
Good afternoon everyone. Now is the normal formality which we have to complete. At the beginning of every program, we have to welcome each and every one who are here, our dignitaries, our guests. Professor Dr. M.P. Singh, Vice Chancellor, West Bengal National University of Medical Sciences, Sri Gautam Mohan Chakravarti, Commissioner of Police, Kolkata, Honorable Justice Molay Sen Gupta, Chairman OBC Commission, West Bengal, and former Chief Justice, Sikkim High Court, Honorable Dr. S.A.Z. Arnan, who will reach shortly. Professor Salman Khurshid, he is also on the way, he will come within a short time. Other dignitaries, guests, esteemed colleagues, distinguished participants, members of media, ladies and gentlemen, salam, namaskar. We welcome all of you, each of you, at this inaugural program of Saket. Today is a special day for all of us. Our new journey has just started in order to empower underprivileged. It is my pleasure and privilege to accord a very hearty welcome to all of you. We appreciate your responding to our request and assembling here. We have done so not only to be a part of inaugural ceremony, but also to be a party to ongoing struggle towards enlightening all citizens of the country. We are indeed fortunate in getting into our midst Professor Dr. M.P. Singh, the Vice Chancellor of NUJS, who is the chief guest of the program and will inaugurate the Saket. It is really an endorsement of the cause for which the trust is established. We warmly welcome you, sir. We are really grateful to Sri Gautam Mohan Chakravarti, Commissioner of Police, Kolkata, who is the chief guest of honor on the occasions and will inaugurate the Global Academy for Career Development, for his taking precious time out making himself present here. We will warmly welcome you, sir. So I request him, he immediately agreed for the cause for which all we have assembled here. We are equally happy to get among us Justice Molay Sen Gupta, Chairman OBC Commission. On these solemn occasions, he will chair the entire inaugural session program. Our special welcome to Dr. S.N. Arnan, who is not here, and Professor Salman Khurshid, we will reach shortly. We at the Saket, we firmly believe that proper standard of education, not only the term education, because you will find in almost all literature, we have used the term proper standard of education. We find in different places the education is being provided by different NGO, different organizations. But really that's the standard we emphasize, that's the real questions for which we want to differentiate Saket. Now once a person, a child belonging to some elite family from the rich peoples, they will get proper educations in different standards of school. For them, we have right, for us, we have Article 21 capital A, fundamental rights. For our children, we have good school, best quality of school in Calcutta. But for other people, underprivileged people, people who live in slum area, for them whatever it may be chalega. So even if one classroom, 10 by 10 classroom, where you have 4 batch of students, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, that will also work chalega. Welcome all of you to be the part of this movement. To all you present here, I say again, Khushamdeed, Swagatam, welcome to this celebration of launching of this new movement. Many thanks for being with us on these occasions. Your presence indeed encouraging and inspiring for all of us. Let we all join hands to fight illiteracy as well as to empower through education. So हमारा मिशन ये है कि तालीम के जरिए कैसे हम लोग कामयाब हो पाएं, तालीम को कैसे हर जगह पहुंचा पाएं। ये बोलते हुए सभी को खुशामदीद कहते हुए आप लोग यहाँ पर इस प्रोग्राम में आए हैं। हमारे काफ़ी सारे गेस्ट यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं जिनको शायद इस तरह के प्रोग्राम से तुफसे की सरजमीन पर कुछ ही बार शायद हुआ हो, जहाँ पर आपके चीफ जस्टिस हों, कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस हों। ये एक एंडोर्समेंट है। एंडोर्समेंट इस बात का कि आज तालीम का मेयार को बढ़ाने की कहीं ना कहीं ज़रूरत है और इसीलिए ये हमारा एक मिशन है। आपको सभी को वेलकम कहते हैं, खुशामदीद कहते हैं। शुक्रिया। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Mr. Salman Khurshid up on the stage. Small session about the information of SAQIT. What exactly SAQIT is all about. Let me give a very brief introduction. SAQIT's full name is Sarfraz Ahmed Khan Educational Trust. The rest, Sarfraz Ahmed Khan will do the honors. Now, may I please request Professor Dr. MP Singh, Vice Chancellor, WB National University of Juridical Science, to inaugurate SAQIT. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I have been allotted 3 minutes time. 3 मिनट का वक्त है मेरे पास। ट्रस्ट के बारे में किस मकसद से हम लोगों ने ये ट्रस्ट बनाया है इसके बारे में बताने के लिए। साकित के नीचे आप लोगों को जो लिटरेचर मिला होगा, देखे होंगे, हम लोग मार्क किए हैं द मिशन फॉर न्यू लाइफ। चूँकि हम लोग लॉ प्रोफेशन से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं, जुडिशरी लास्ट 10, 15, 20 सालों से सर हैं बैठे हुए। लाइफ का डिफिनेशंस को फर्दर हमेशा एक्सपैंड करता गया। लाइफ के माने क्या है, सही माने क्या है, और एक माने लाइफ का है कि हमको प्रॉपर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन मिलना चाहिए। इसी मिशन पर हम लोग साकित को आगे बढ़ाएं। हम लोग साकित की तरफ से ये मिशन स्टेटमेंट हम लोगों का है जो दिए हुए हैं। अब आपको हर लिटरेचर में मिलेगा कि इस मुल्क के हर सिटीजन को ये अधिकार है, बेसिक अधिकार है कि वो प्रॉपर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन उसको मिले, सही तरीका तालीम मिल पाए। और हम लोग साकित की तरफ से ये कोशिश करेंगे कि ये जो उसका बुनियादी हक है, संविधान में फंडामेंटल राइट्स दिया गया आर्टिकल 21 कैपिटल ए, ये 2 तरह का नहीं हो। अमीरों के बच्चों के लिए एक तरह का तालीम, गरीबों के बच्चों के लिए एक तरह का तालीम, एक ही स्टैंडर्ड दोनों को मिल